Here I've got V-Mobile S39 and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select accounts and click on add account. Now you have to select the one that you would like to add, so in this case it's Google. Just make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi because otherwise it will not be possible to log in with your Google account. And then wait a couple of seconds because your device is checking the info. And now it's time to enter your email address or phone number, but in my case it's email address, it's HardReset.Info1@gmail.com. And now click on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, click on next. And that's it, just agree with all the terms of usage and the conditions from Google. And pick some Google services as backup to Google Drive, that's a very useful one. You will no need to worry about your data as it will all be backupped. I will now set up my payment info, but you can obviously do it if you want to. And that's it. You've just added your Google account. And then if you would like to remove it, simply open accounts one more time, click on Google. And now tap on the more icon, 3 dots one in the right upper corner to select remove account. Now confirm that you would like to remove account with all its messages, contacts and other data from the phone, remove account. And that's it. As you can see, there is no Google account here, so you can add some other one. And that would be all. This is how you can add and remove Google account in your V-Mobile S39. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.